I made this multicolor 3D print. Let's have a look at the print first. It came out pretty well, just as I hoped it would go. I show you how I slice this multicolored print with a step-by-step tutorial in Bambu Studio. First, drag your model in the Bambu Studio slicer. The model is way too big, as you see. First, click this button to select the Lay on Face feature. And click on the side of the model that should be laying on the print plate. Now click on the Scale button here. Click on this number, enter a scale, and press Enter. The model fits on the print plate now. Here you see which filament colors are selected for this project. You can remove the added filaments with this minus button. On top, you see which printer, print plate, and nozzle diameter you have selected. To add filament colors, press this plus button. Then click on the number to change the color of this filament. To add another color, click the plus button again. Click on the model to select it. It's time to paint. Click the color painting button here at the top. Now select the fill option by clicking this icon and choose a color. When you hover over a specific area, it will highlight. This model is split in FreeCAD. Select all parts that should be this color. Now, do the same for the other parts. Sometimes you have to click a lot of faces. Then other filling options may be useful. All colors have been added to the model. It looks like it's ready to be printed. Click on Slice Plate or the Preview tab on the left. Now it will be prepared for printing. Go to Color Scheme and select Filament. The color of each part of the model is clearly visible now. It looks like there are floating parts. Here you see it. The wrong side is laying on the bed. Click on the link in the warning box to go back to the model. Then click the Lay on Face feature here. Select the other side to rotate the model. Slice the model again. The flat side is on the print bed now. As you see, another warning popped up in orange. The model is conflicting with the wipe tower. Click on the link in the warning box to go back to the model. Select the model and click the Rotate button. Rotate it a little clockwise to avoid hitting the wipe tower. Slice the model again. Everything is okay now. It takes around 5 hours to make this multicolor print. All layers have the right color. Select Export Plate Sliced File to generate the G-code for this print. Good luck with your multicolor 3D print. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials.